nutshell, in a very short, I should say, it is only after the establishment of a democratic form of a government, the concept of power sharing became prominent. Democratic form of government established होने के बाद ये power sharing वाला concept विश्व में ज़्यादा spread की. So in this chapter we shall be discussing what is power sharing, why power sharing, then types of power sharing, then case study. इस चैप्टर में हम पावर शेयरिंग क्या है, पावर शेयरिंग क्यों आवश्यक है, जरूरी है, पावर शेयरिंग कितना तरह का है, और केस स्टडी, 2 केस स्टडी हम लोग इस चैप्टर में डिस्कशन करेंगे. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज पावर शेयरिंग? What is power sharing? Power sharing means very simple. You just reverse these 2 words. ये दोनों वर्ड को आप इंटरचेंज कर दो. Power sharing means sharing of power or distribution of power. As we will proceed on in this chapter, the meaning of power sharing will be more clear gradually. For the moment, in a brief, I can say power sharing means sharing of power. That means power should not be concentrated at one point. Rather, power should be distributed, power should be shared among different agencies, among different organs of the government, among governments at different levels, and among various social groups also. So what is power sharing? Let's see, one more question. Power sharing means sharing of power or distribution of power. That means power should not be concentrated at one end or one point or in one hand or in few hands only. Rather, power should be distributed among different organs of the government, among different levels of the government, among various social groups, among political parties or opposition parties. Before going into the chapter, there are 2 case studies. One is the case study of Belgium. बच्चों, पहले हम बेल्जियम का केस स्टडी पढ़ेंगे और सेकेंड हम डिस्कशन करेंगे श्रीलंका का केस स्टडी रिगार्डिंग पावर शेयरिंग. श्रीलंका, ये दोनों कंट्री का जो केस स्टडी, they present a different view. They present a contradicting picture. ये दोनों contradicting picture एग्जाम्पल के रूप में लिया गया है ताकि हमारा जो कंसेप्ट, हमारा जो क्वेरीज, हमारा जो क्वेश्चंस वो क्लियर हो पाएगी. फर्स्ट, द केस स्टडी फॉर बेल्जियम. You see, Belgium is a small European country. अगर बेल्जियम के मैप आप देखेंगे, Belgium is a small European country. Its boundary, its border touches with 4 countries: Netherlands, France, Germany, and Luxembourg. The boundary of first, we are going to discuss about the ethnic composition of Belgium. Belgium के ethnic composition के बारे में बच्चों हम डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं. It's a 3 marks question. The question comes: explain the ethnic composition of Belgium. Belgium के ethnic composition के बारे में डिस्कशन करिए. First, what is ethnic or what is ethnicity? Ethnic means a social division based on a shared culture. Shared culture means something common, say that we share, that the people of a country they share between them. Something, may it be language, may it be your religion, whatever it may be. Religion, language, everything constitute your culture. And people who belong to one ethnic group, they believe that they are of a common descent. because of their physical similarity or cultural similarity. Something common in you, something common among the people that make them one. लोगों में कुछ कोई भी एक बात जो कॉमन होती है और उसको वो शेयर करते हैं, और वो जो कॉमन चीज वो एक बॉन्डिंग फैक्टर के रूप में काम करती है और लोगों को एक बना के रखती है। वो आपका लैंग्वेज हो सकती है, वो आपका रिलीजन हो सकती है। दैट इज योर कॉमन दैट यू शेयर अमंग योरसेल्व्स एंड दैट बाइंड्स यू ऑल टुगेदर। फॉर एग्जांपल, we all are Indians, we are Hindus, we all speak Hindi. Hindi speaking people, they are one. Because our language is one, we feel like so that we are one, because we speak one language, so we are of one language community. So this is something that we share, and that common thing unites us together. The ethnic composition of Belgium. Let us discuss these three marks question. बेल्जियम का एथनिक कंपोजिशन जानने के लिए बेल्जियम किस कंट्री के साथ अपना बाउंड्री शेयर करती है ये जानना जरूरी है, क्योंकि उन कंट्रियों का इन्फ्लुएंस बेल्जियम के ऊपर दिखने मिलती है। बेल्जियम शेयर्स इट्स बॉर्डर विथ द कंट्रीज ऑफ नेदरलैंड, फ्रांस, Germany and Luxembourg. Of the total population of Belgium, 59% they speak Dutch language. बेल्जियम का पूरी आबादी का 59% डच कहने वाले होते हैं, डच लैंग्वेज कम्युनिटी होते हैं। So 59% are of Dutch language, Dutch speaking community, and they live in the east central region of north central region of Belgium, which is called Flemish region. बेल्जियम का पूरी आबादी का 59% नॉर्थ सेंट्रल रीजन में रहते हैं और इसको फ्लेमिश रीजन कहा जाता है। 40% पीपल they speak French language. बेल्जियम का 40% आबादी फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज कम्युनिटी के होते हैं, and they live in the south central region. This is called as Wallonia region. इसको Wallonia region कहा जाता है। Of the total population of the country, 59% speak Dutch language. They live in the north central region. This is called as Flemish region. 40% people, they are of a French speaking community. They live in the south central region. This is called as Wallonia region. 1%, rest 1%, 59, 40, 99, rest 1%, जो थोड़ा सा minority population, 1%, they are of German language community, German speaking people. This is the ethnic composition of Belgium. That means the whole country. 59% Dutch speaking, they live in Flemish region. 40% French speaking community, they live in the Wallonia region, and 1% German speaking, they live towards the eastern part of the country. Then we are switching over to the capital city of Belgium, that is Brussels. This is the capital of Belgium. This is called Brussels. ये हो गया होल कंट्री के बारे में। अगर बेल्जियम का एथनिक कंपोजिशन पूछेगी तो हम इसका आंसर दो पार्ट में हम लोग देंगे। फर्स्ट, एथनिक कंपोजिशन द होल कंट्री, which I have completed right now. 59% Dutch speaking Flemish region, 40% French speaking community Wallonia region, 1% German speaking community. उसके बाद हम आ जाएंगे बेल्जियम का कैपिटल के ऊपर। बेल्जियम का कैपिटल का नाम है ब्रुसेल्स। ब्रुसेल्स इज द कैपिटल ऑफ बेल्जियम। Let us see what the ethnic composition in Brussels. ब्रुसेल्स का ethnic composition क्या है? अब चलते हैं ब्रुसेल्स में. The picture is quite different. 80%